Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to fix the Mac keyboard not working. So very first thing what you need to do is you need to disconnect and reconnect the external keyboard if you're having any. Right now I have a Bluetooth device connected to my Mac. So what I can do is I can click on this control center icon and here I can see the Bluetooth. I can just expand it and I can see the keyboard is already connected. If your keyboard is not appearing here, what you can do is you can open the Bluetooth settings and make sure that the keyboard is in the connected mode. If not, then you can search nearby devices and connect it. If the keyboard is already connected, what you can do is you can just disconnect that keyboard and reconnect it. Or you can also click on this information icon, click on this forget this device and make sure the device is disconnected completely and re-enter into the pairing mode and connect the device again. So this way, if there is any temporary issues or with your keyboard connection, it will be fixed. If you are using the wired keyboard, you can just disconnect that cable and then reconnect it to fix the issue. Now this is the one way. The second way is to check if the keyboard settings is correct. So what we can do is we can go to this Apple icon, go to system settings, and within the system settings, we can scroll down and here you can see the keyboards. So within the keyboard, you can just scroll to the bottom and here you can see the setup keyboard, which will again open the same Bluetooth menu, and you can see here the change keyboard type. Just click on it and it will open the keyboard setup assistance. You can continue and it is asking me to press the key immediately to the right of the shift key on the left side. So I can just press that button and then again it is asking me to press the button immediately left of the shift key on the right side. I will press again and it is asking me to select the keyboard type. I will select whatever the keyboard type I have and then done. This is also one way to fix the keyboard issue if you have any temporary problems. Apart from that, what you can do is you can also make sure that you are up to date. So for that, you can go click on this Apple icon again, system settings, and within the system settings, general and software update. So make sure that you are on the latest update of the software. If you have any updates, just you can update it and then you can complete the update. The last but not the least, what you can do is you can reset the NVRAM. So for that, I already have a video, so I will leave this description. So you can press the option command P and R while your system is off and it will automatically reset the PRAM or NVRAM, which would also fix the temporary keyboard related issues on your Mac. So I will leave this link in the description below. You can watch. If your keyboard still does not work after these steps, the issue may be hardware related. You may need to contact the Apple support or visit the Apple store for further diagnosis. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.